Hey there, fellow PDF enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to change the highlight color in Adobe Reader for 2025. If you're tired of default yellow highlights that blend into your notes, you're in the right place. This simple tweak can make your documents more organized and visually appealing, whether you're studying for exams, reviewing contracts, or just annotating articles. Stick around, and in just a couple of minutes, you'll be a pro at customizing your highlights. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Reader installed on your device. It's always a good idea to update for the newest features and security fixes. Once you're all set, open Adobe Reader and load the PDF file you want to work on. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to highlight. Simply click and drag your cursor over the words or paragraphs, just like you would in any word processor. Next, head over to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Look for the commenting tools. It's usually represented by a speech bubble or a pencil icon. Click on that to expand your options. Now, for the fun part, changing the color. In the commenting menu, find the highlight tool. It might be under a drop-down or a separate button. Once you select it, a color palette should pop up. Adobe Reader in 2025 has made this even easier with more vibrant options and presets. Click on your desired color, maybe a bright blue for important notes or a soft green for references. Don't forget, you can also adjust the opacity if you want a subtler effect. After you've chosen your color, go ahead and apply it to the selected text. You'll see the change instantly. If you need to highlight more sections, just repeat the process. Finally, save your document to keep your customizations intact. Pro tip: if you're working on a shared file, make sure to export it as a new PDF to avoid overwriting the original. And there you have it. That's all it takes to personalize your highlights in Adobe Reader 2025. This feature is a game changer for productivity, helping you stay focused and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy highlighting.